just shoot a quick video on getting the door hinges off. Watched a lot of videos online where people are having trouble doing this, bending pins and all that stuff. This is the standard forward hinge pin removal tool. Get it on there. I've done no prep on this. Haven't sprayed any lube or anything. This is just straight out raw to show you this is the easiest thing to do. Right, wind it up, get a bit of weight on it so you're not going to bend the pin. Tap with a hammer. Make sure it's centered. Wind it again, take that slack. Tap with the hammer. Every time you tap with the hammer it comes loose because the kinetic energy does the job for you. So don't wind it till you crack the pins or bend anything. Get it like that. Tap with a hammer and Bob's your uncle. Now it's moving, it's coming out easy. Now I'm going to go straight from the starter pin straight to one of the long pins. It's easy enough to do, just wind this thing up until you're almost out of thread. Right, pull it out. Take it all the way out. I'm going to the second longest pin. Yeah, might go to the total longest pin. See if I can get it to start. Yep. No, not enough threads. Okay, going back to the second longest one. Now I only just got this tool in the mail, just opened it up. So it's first use of it. You can see the rust, that is dry. I never did any prep. I must have got a bit of rust or grit in that thing. It was a snug fit. I had to take it and put it in the vise to get the pin out. So here we go, next one. Get him lined up. Sitting on the top all right. On the bottom, mostly centered. This will self-center as soon as I hit it with the hammer, as soon as I get some pressure on it. There we go. Close enough to centered. Let's walk. Wow, this one's going to walk. Try that again. All right. All right, got some pressure on it. Centered up the top. And there we go. I like to see it come nice and loose as you tap it. And I'm not hitting it that hard. I hit nails a lot harder than that. Yeah, what I didn't do before was clean the grit off the top of it before I pulled the pin out. So when I put the other pin in, it got stuck. See the grit on the top of the pin. Get rid of that crap. Pin will come out. Right, going with the next pin.